So today we're going to be playing Sons of the Forest. I already have a world started because I started it the other day. So on the thumbnail you may see it's going to have whatever day I'm on. I'll just catch you guys up on everything that I've done. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, finally let it in. Sons of the Forest takes a long time to load in. Anyways. This is my house. It used to be a hunting lean-to, but I turned it into my house. Got like a little window right there, got side windows, got those. Oh, maybe I didn't. Okay. My bad. I forgot to save, I guess. That's sad. Put it back how it was. I had those two, and I had like a log going down up there. You slave, get me some freaking logs. Yeah. Holy crap, it's nighttime. I thought it was going in the morning. Ooh. Okay, bright and early. Let me get my spear. Grab this. No, I wanted to drink water. Alright. I thought that rock was a fish, bro. I'm freaking weakening. Okay. Fishies on fire. Yeah, I was playing, I think yesterday. These two cannibals got up on the rock and they were like crouched down looking at me with spears. I murdered them though, so that's fun. Guy's taking forever. Follow me. Yeah, there you go. That's how it was. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful entrance. Yeah, I noticed they keep on popping up and putting these things around. I don't really know what that's all about, but my food guys there. Yeah, it's burnt. Yo, I need to get a pot, dude. How many pills do I have? Not good. need to chop up some firewood. Not word. Sushi. Yeah, so how we're gonna have the fence set up, okay? It's gonna go from here, okay? It's gonna go meet up with this, okay? And then this, it's gonna go all the way up here and take a left turn and then meet up right here. And I'm thinking about moving that tent like right here. Yeah, my goal in this video is to finish the wall, but I don't think that's gonna really happen. Alright, well, while I'm here, I have an idea. Okay, let me just save real quick. Okay, mister, come over here. Hurry up, because we're wasting time. Because I'm going to raid the base, that camp over there. I didn't capture it once and took taking over there, but... Hey, mister, hurry it up. Ain't got all day. Got things to do. Yeah, run your butt over here. You're deaf. Alright, get logs and drop here. I love having a slave in this game. Okay. We're done. Alright. I need food. I forgot that my morning breakfast didn't go too well. Yes, sizzle. Gosh damn it. It's on fire? Gosh damn it, I thought it was amazing, man. I'm gonna drink some water first. I really make thoughts and I get sick every single time I drink too much. Alright, so there's a guy at this camp, okay? He has a freaking motorboat for a weapon. And me and my friend, we were playing. This guy, our slave followed us, and we were very sad about this, okay? Our slave followed us, okay? He started chopping down their trees over here. There's that man over there. Started chopping down their trees, and anyways, motorboat got mad at him. And then basically, oh snap. Back away, sir. Sir. Ow. Ow. That hurt, you know. No, no. Ha. You would never come inside of another man's house. Yeah, that's right. Back off, man. Holy crap. Okay, so guys, about the raid, okay? Poor planning, that's all I'm gonna say. Didn't work out too well at the end. Yo, man!
You done messed up, Aaron!
Bad, bad, bad. Punk. Gosh dang it. You ruined everything, you're a mistake. Okay, man. I'm gonna use you to make armor. Okay, now that he's cooking up. Okay. Grab the logs and place them. I can't believe that freaking dumb cannibal started going at my freaking wall. Like, all I did was stab the leader a couple times. I mean, it's not that bad. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know why I just did that. I was another Kool-Aid man. Yeah, no, I saw that man. I checked a rock at him. Did nothing. Wonder if fish will rot if they sit in my inventory too long. Ooh. Right. I don't have any tape nor rope. If I want bone armor, I'm gonna have to go to their camp. It's frustrating. Alright, man. I'll help my man out, okay? We'll chop down some of my own trees. I should have some logs just laying around. Guys, never eat mushrooms on the ground. Bad things will happen. Especially if they're one of those ones whenever you hit them, okay? You hit them, this like green gas comes out. I had one of those in my yard one time. I just kept on like hitting it, and then I got a box and put it over this one. Green infected all over the box. This. Okay. No. You wanna go? I'm destroying things. I don't know. Where did I pull this out from? And who cares? Clearly the game cares, gosh dang.
Yeah.
Man, I should have shot it down. No, there's a guy. He's about to attack my friend. Hey, my buddy's over here. Can you, like, chill the poop out, man? You don't come to my place again. Punk. Gosh dang. Okay, there's freaking 2 camps over there. Good to know, good to know. It's only good to know for me and my friend. Tonight, guys, I'm on stream, okay? You got... Bro! Hey, glad I got that, man. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing now. Okay, that's just gonna have to be how it is. Like oil? I don't know. Okay. Why, thank you, kind sir. Okay. Can I not pick this up? Yo, that's retarded. That's retarded. What the heck? Okay. I don't know why them dang cannibals. Oh. So you found my cut down trees. Come on, drop them. Drop them. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, I have food cooking. Oh, it's probably burnt. I'm silly. I'm a silly guy. Yeah, that crap is so burnt, it's not even there anymore. No! Yeah, that's freaking retarded. Yeah. Why is there a foot? Oh, yeah, sorry, I clicked someone. Nom nom nom, nom nom nom. Dang, I just saw a bird flying in the sky. Well, I saw its shadow. I wanted to shoot it down with my spear. I'm a real spearman. Spear fisherman. Okay. Just save again. I'm a big saver because, you know, I don't want to lose any of my progress. Okay. I'm gonna go try to raid this one now. Yeah, I have 3 spears again. Hopefully I'll have 5 if that guy still has these spears I threw at him on the side of his chest. It's like, bro, what the heck? Give him back at least. I give him one that's true. Yo, how come you is already chasing me? Yo, did I just...
I'll whip your ass.
Yo, how do I die from that? Bro. I'm gonna grab my stuff very politely. Hopefully that freaking pale dude ain't here. I probably should not have stabbed him. I knew that was gonna happen, but I kinda forgot. Okay, toodaloo. Bro, I can't believe that you could do that. I didn't know they could freaking explode the motor. Yeah, absolutely bodied though. I freaking threw that spear straight at that thing, dude. Yeah, that's a good one. Spears. I was going the wrong way anyways. Okay, so that was a pretty successful raid, I would say. I got a craft. I got enough spears, so craft. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna look. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh. I thought you could have, wait. What do you, I thought you... No, I don't wanna... Gosh, I'm still getting used to these controls. Okay. Yeah, right there. What's this again? Hold on. That's a torch. Yes, it's a torch. Never can hit people with it. Oh, I can make that. Make it glow. Good. Gonna club some people. Holy crap, that's really good at defense. Is the axe a better weapon than that? Yeah, I like the spears better. I thought better with them. Okay. Man, bro, I was about to do my outro. Gosh dang it. What did I hear? Oogly boogly screams. Nah, where's my guy? Did he die? Yes, he didn't die. Is that freaking three-legged lady? Okay. Hey, mister, you can just maintain the base, okay? Okay, I'm signing off. Yep, good man. Alright guys, it's the end of the video. End of day 4, as you can see, the sun's about to set. Got a lot done today, I feel like, you know. We finished one side of the wall, we raided the base. Things are looking good. You know, everything's perfect. So, have a good rest of your day, and bye-bye.